In today's digital age, the internet has opened up myriad avenues for earning money. For many, making $100 a day online is not only achievable but also offers significant flexibility compared to traditional jobs. This potential comes from a diverse range of sources including freelance jobs, digital marketing, e-commerce, and content creation, among others. Each of these avenues taps into different skill sets and interests, making it possible for virtually anyone to find a niche that suits them. The key advantage here is the ability to leverage global platforms, reaching a wide audience without the geographical limitations of a physical workplace. Leveraging freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr presents a lucrative opportunity for those skilled in writing and graphic design. To thrive, creating a compelling profile that showcases your expertise and previous work examples is pivotal. This forms the first impression and helps attract potential clients. Furthermore, securing initial clients is crucial. By bidding effectively on suitable projects and communicating professionally, you can begin to build a reputable presence. These initial projects can pave the way to consistent engagements and can significantly contribute towards achieving a stable income of $100 a day or more. Entering the world of e-commerce through platforms like Etsy or eBay involves several key steps. Initially, setting up a seller account requires providing detailed business information and setting up payment methods. Choosing what products to sell is critical. Market research helps identify items that are in demand and profitable. Efficient inventory management is essential to ensure that stock levels are sufficient to meet customer demands without overstocking. Additionally, offering exceptional customer service is vital. This includes responding promptly to inquiries, resolving issues speedily, and ensuring customer satisfaction to build a good reputation and encourage repeat business. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic way to earn online by promoting others' products and earning a commission from sales made through your links. To start, choose a niche and join popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, which offer a range of products to promote. Successful affiliate marketing relies on generating substantial website traffic. Techniques such as search engine optimization, content marketing, and social media outreach are pivotal. Creating informative, engaging content that incorporates affiliate links can attract visitors and convert them into buyers. Continuously analyzing and adapting your strategies based on performance metrics is essential for sustained success. Creating and selling online courses or hosting live workshops can be a lucrative approach to leveraging your expertise. The process begins with thorough content development, ensuring that the material is informative and engaging for a targeted audience. Selecting the right platform is crucial. Options like Udemy or Teachable provide robust tools to host and market your courses. Effective marketing strategies are essential to attract and retain students. Utilizing social media, email marketing, and content marketing can significantly enhance visibility and enrollments. Moreover, consistently updating course content and getting feedback are important to keep the offerings relevant and beneficial.